Welcome to this tutorial on adjusting eBay auction schedules from Sellercloud. When it comes to listing items for sale in an eBay auction, it's essential to choose the right starting price and to ensure that interested buyers can place bids for that item. Posting auction listings on eBay can be done in a few simple steps, and in this tutorial, we'll show you how to do that both individually and in product groups. First, let's take a look at how to post an auction individually. To do this, go to Catalog, Manage Catalog, and select the product you want to list. On the Product Details page, go to Toolbox, then eBay Listing Manager. Click Add New Listing or select an existing title. On the next page, select Auction and set the duration. If you want to schedule the auction for a future date and time, check Schedule Posting and set the date and time. The date and time is the date and time zone of your database or server's location. When you're ready to post, click Post to eBay. Next, let's look at how to schedule auctions for multiple products. With Sellercloud, you have two options: Product Group Series and Product Group Sets. Product Group Series allows you to post all products in a random order, beginning at the given start date and according to the interval schedule. On the other hand, Product Group Sets give you the ability to select different start dates and times for each product, giving you full control over individual items and their unique formats and posting intervals. To post auctions with a Product Group Series, go to Settings, Marketplaces, select eBay, then Series, and click Create New Series. On the next page, select the company and product group, enter the values in the remaining fields, and save. In the Listings per Product field, it's probably best to keep it low or even at 1 to avoid competing against your own listing. Select the selling format, the posting interval, the listing duration, and the start date and time. If you want to set a blackout time, select Enable Blackout Time and set the time of day you don't want to sell your item. If you want the campaign to repeat, select Recurring. To configure blackout dates when you don't want auctions to end at a scheduled time, you need to enter the blackout dates manually by selecting Start Date and End Date, or you can upload a file. Sellercloud will check the listing to ensure it doesn't conflict with blackout dates each time an auction is posted. It is important to note that the Windows Service eBay Product Listing Service must be configured to allow a recurring auction. This can be configured via Sellercloud support. Finally, let's move on to how you can post auctions with Product Group Sets. Go back to the eBay Marketplace page and choose Sets. Select Action and choose Create New Product Group Set from the drop-down. Select the company, enter the name, select the product group, and click Create New Set. On the next page, enter the start and end date, check Enable Listings, and select Recurring if you want the campaign to repeat. In the Product Group Items grid, enter the day of the week, time of day, format, and duration for each product. When you're finished, click Select Actions, then Generate and Go. It's easy to adjust eBay auction schedules from Sellercloud, whether you're posting auctions individually or in product groups. We wish you many successful sales with your eBay auctions. Thanks for watching.